This video is going to help show you how to complete the scavenger exercise using Hypothesis. Be sure to not only register for Hypothesis, the free account, but also to install the Chrome extension. Directions can be found in the syllabus as well as the internet course tutorial. This is just going to show you, however, how to complete the scavenger exercise for the forum, which is extra credit, so you should do it. What you need to first do is visit history.com, this day in history. I've hyperlinked it in the forum so you don't even have to Google it. Once you get to this website, what you'll need to do is select a date that is meaningful to you. I'm going to select my wedding anniversary. And since my wife is in the room, this is a test to see if I actually know it. June 10th.
It was a year.
I'm not telling the year
Okay.
to the students. Now I got to cut this and edit this out.
Sorry. Well, I thought you were stuck. He was stuck.
June 10th. So I'm going to select June 10th, this day in history. Now I'm going to look at, oh, look, Benjamin Franklin flies kite during thunderstorm on June 10th, 17. So now what I'm going to do is work to complete this exercise, right? So I can get my extra credit. So on June 10th, Benjamin Franklin flies a kite during a thunderstorm and collects ambient electrical charge in a Leyden jar. I'm going to annotate this and say, this is my anniversary date about 300 years later. And then I want to do something cool, like insert a GIF, right? Not GIF, GIF. All right, so here's the key to getting the extra credit. Not only have you annotated this website, but you have to put in a tag here. And the tag we're going to use is scavenger hunt. Make sure you use a space. And then you'll hit a comma after the tag or an enter. It'll let you enter a tag. And once you do that, now we're going to post this. Right? So we've annotated this date. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab this link right here. And this I'm going to post in our forum. So once I've hyperlinked my date, I'm going to post it here in this forum. And then I'm going to go pick another student. This will be more populated by the point you do it. And I'm going to find their date. I'm going to visit that web page. I'm going to activate my hypothesis and see why it's important to them. And I'm going to comment and say, congratulations. And then I'm going to tag it. Scavenger hunt. There's one other thing when annotating that's important to remember, and that is to set the annotation to our class group. So, look, Franklin was born on January 17th, 1706 in Boston, right? So when I annotate this, now mine is currently to the default of my group, but yours will likely be on public or on this group. Make sure you set the annotation to our group, right? And that'll help us be able to find these annotations a little bit better. The public ones do work, but isolating it to our group will make sure that no one else throughout the internet could see your annotation, because if you make it public, it is public. Once you've done that, you've completed the exercise. So you've shown me that you can use hypothesis. You've shown me that you've thought about a particular date that's important, and you've had a conversation with a classmate. Please don't hesitate to drop a question in the water cooler forum if you got any issues with this, and make sure you just kind of troubleshoot on your own a little bit if you run into any problems.